in a sharded MongoDB cluster who actually decides which machine gets your query. That's the job of Mongos, the query router. Your application never talks directly to individual shards. Instead, it connects to Mongos, which acts as a proxy. Every read and write flows through Mongos first. It inspects your query and routes it to exactly the right shard, or shards, that hold your data. But how does Mongos know where to route? It consults the config servers. These store a metadata structure called chunk mappings, a table that records which shard key ranges belong to which shard. When a query arrives, Mongos looks up the shard key value in that chunk map, identifies the owning shard, and sends the query directly there. Not every query targets a specific shard. When yours doesn't include a shard key filter, Mongos uses scattergather. It broadcasts to all shards, collects each result, merges them, and returns one unified response to your app. Mongos is also stateless. Run multiple instances for high availability and load balancing. And to your application, it looks like a single MongoDB server, keeping all sharding complexity completely out of sight. In short, Mongos routes queries via config server chunk maps, merges scattergather results, and hides sharding complexity from your app, like and follow for more. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.